we'll guide you through how to manage Calendly time zones effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Calendly website. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on it and select account settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a page where you can customize various settings for your account. Look for the section labeled time zone here. You'll see an option to set your default time zone. Click on it and a list of available time zones will appear. You can scroll through this list or type the name of your desired time zone into the search bar to quickly find it. Once you've selected your preferred time zone, make sure to hit the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page to ensure your settings are updated. Now, whenever you schedule events, Calendly will automatically use this default time zone. If you frequently travel or work with international teams, you might want to adjust this setting regularly to reflect your current location. Remember, when you're scheduling an event, you can also manually choose a different time zone for individual meetings. This flexibility allows you to accommodate your invitees more easily. Just click on the event type you want to edit, and in the event details, there's an option to specify a different time zone for that particular meeting. This is especially useful if you're dealing with clients or colleagues in various parts of the world, and that's how you manage time zones in Calendly to ensure your scheduling is always accurate. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.